மாணவர்களின் சிந்தனைகளை வடிவமைக்க இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ், மாணவர்களின் தனித்திறமைகளை மேம்படுத்த SNS இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ், மாணவர்களின் போற்றும் SNS இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ் கோவை.
Hi, this is Vijay Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today we will see about the topic of operation of servo motor. So it will comes under unit number 2, motors and drives, for the subject of electrical machines in robotics and automations. So welcome back our video lecture series. So last class we are discussing about stepper motors, applications, working, and then constructions, characteristics, and all those things. So likewise today classes we will discuss about servo motor concepts. So today class we are going to discuss about introduction, block diagram, characteristics, types, advantages, disadvantages, and applications. So introduction. So first of all, what is meant by servo motor? Servo motor is a highly specialized motor designed for precise control of rotary or a linear motion. It is a rotational or a translational motor that employs a feedback mechanism to ensure exact positioning, typically using a control signals that dictates the motor's movement to a desired position. So this will be very, very important. For example, any kind of robotic automations, we need some kind of highest accuracy and then high precision makes systems. So in these functions, we need a different kind of motors. So even though we have a high resolute and then high precision motors, we need some kind of feedback systems for functioning or making the motor will be operating 100%. So this is the block diagram of a servo motor. So servo motor, we have a rotor position, and then we have two supplies. We need a two supply, AC supply, and also we need a separate AC supply for a stator as well as some kind of rotors. And also in synchronous generator we are using a synchronous generators and then stators, and then we are using a gearing arrangements. The gear will give some exact conditions or stepping angles. And also we have using the servo amplifier. So the servo amplifier will be a controlled phase. So this will be operated in a servo motor with the help of a feedback systems. So in this feedback system we are using a control transformer mechanism. So in this control transformer mechanism, output will be controlled with the help of a servo amplifier. And also the characteristics of a servo motor, it will be a maximum efficiency at a maximum torque, and also it will be give the no load current as well as some no load speed, and also it will be give a normal operation. At the same time it will be operated with the help of the feedback systems. And then servo motor, we have a different kind of servo motors, AC servo motor and then DC servo motor. In AC servo motor we have in a positional rotational servo motor, and then continuous rotational servo motor and linear servo motors. In a DC motor segments we are classified into series motor, split series motor, shunt control motor, and permanent magnet shunt motor. So this kind of things, the motor will be operated with the help of this kind of things. And then advantages of servo motor, it will be a compact and a lightweight design, so it can be able to fix at any locations, and also it will be fixed in any space. And also the versatile applications, for example we need a high accuracy as well as toy conditions, and then all those conditions we can use this kind of servo motors. And also the significant torque generation in servo motor will give the maximum torque at maximum rates, so it will be operated in a high torque conditions. And smooth and silent operations, we are using some kind of plastic gears as well as it will be a steel gears, so it will not give any kind of noise during the functionals. And precise control and accuracy, for example the accuracy is the major concern for any kind of robotics and applications. In these functions we have in a precise methods for giving the such kind of things. And also the energy efficiency, it will be operated with a low energy consumption and also the low voltage rate, for example 5 volt to 12 volt or 24 volt. And compatibility and ease of use, so we don't want to any complex systems, so it will be operated with the help of pulsating signals, so it will be a complexity and ease of use, and also affordable and accessible. So for example the servo motor, the cost will be very, very low compared to the other kind of motors. And disadvantages, servo motors requires tuning to stabilize the feedback loop. So complex controller requires encoder and electronic support, and peak torque is limited at 1% of duty cycle, and servo motors can be damaged by sustained overload. Gearboxes are often required to deliver the power at the higher speeds. So these are also some kind of disadvantages. And applications wise, the servo motors are using in a packaging mechanisms and cutting machines and robots and textile machineries, CNC machineries, printing mechanics, and then electronic manufacturing and punching mechanics. So this kind of applications we are using a servo motors. So in this servo motor we can use as a different kind of applications. So this will be very important one. And real-time applications we are using this kind of crawling robot. So this kind of robots will be useful for climbing the stairs as well as the climbing some uneven functions. So we have a different kind of motors, and also servo motor will be the important one. So I hope you understood the concept of a servo motors and then applications and then working principle of servo motors. Thank you. We will see on a next topic in another class. Thank you for watching.